Welcome everybody to Happy Go by Hannah. I'm Hannah, and this is where I strive to help you cultivate a happy, creative life. In today's video, I'm talking about the Symmetry Tool in Procreate. So I'm going to go ahead and make a new canvas. I'll give it a background color. Now the Symmetry Tool can be found under the little wrench in the top left corner. When you click it, you find the option to turn on the drawing guide. The default drawing guide is the 2D grid, but when you click Edit Drawing Guide, you have more options pop up at the bottom. To the far right is the Symmetry Tool. The color bar at the top can help you change the color of the guidelines. You can also move the guideline by dragging around the little blue dot, or rotate the guideline by dragging the green dot at the top. Though when you turn on the guide, it is already positioned in the center of your canvas. Now under options are the different kinds of symmetry lines that you have available. We have vertical, horizontal, quadrant, and radial. I typically like to use the vertical most often, especially recently as I've been drawing a lot of little animal head shots. You see that as I've started to draw, my marks are already mirrored across the line, and that is because under the options you can see that assisted drawing is turned on. So you look at our layer and it shows that drawing assist is turned on. When I want my marks to stop being mirrored across the line, I can go ahead and turn off drawing assist, and now you can see they're no longer mirrored. I'm going to add a new layer. I'm going to make sure drawing assist is turned on that layer. We'll go back to edit drawing guide, and I'm going to show you now rotational symmetry. I'll show you on radial symmetry. Rotational just changes the direction that your marks go. Rather than being reflected right across the lines, they're being sent in one continual direction. So here's the difference. When I turn rotational symmetry off, you can see it's just being mirrored directly across the lines. Like so. Now this does also apply to the other kinds of symmetry, not just radial. So you can see when I turn vertical symmetry back on, rotational symmetry makes the reflection go in a continual direction, exactly what the name sounds like. So I'm going to go ahead and draw a little bunny headshot, just as an example. These are just the basics of the Symmetry Tool in Procreate. I hope you found this helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment for me, or let me know what other tools you'd like me to make a video about in the future. Big shout out to my members on Patreon, Joanna, Patricia, and Brannery. Much love and thanks to you for your support. If you're interested in behind the scenes, I will put a link to that in the description below. Be sure to subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss my next video, and I'll see you next time. Bye!